Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sharafi bin Shahrum. My measuring number is 190411. So today I would like to present about my assessment, which the title is the manufacturing of hammer by powder metallurgy method. So hammer is an equipment which a heavy metal head mounted at right angles at the end of the handle. There are many types of a hammer, but in my assessment, I would like to focus on the claw hammer. So a claw hammer is a hammer which one side of the head is split and curved. Usually, a hammer is manufactured by forging process. So forging process is the manufacturing process which involves the shaping of metal by using localized compressive force. So in my assessment, I would like to explain how if the hammer is manufactured by using powder metallurgy method. Basically, powder metallurgy method has 4 to 5 production sequence, which is in the first sequence we have the production of the metal powder, and then we have the mixing and the blending process, and then we have the compaction process. We have two types of compaction, which is cold compaction and hot compaction. If we choose to use the cold compaction, after that we have the sintering process, and then after that we have the secondary and the finishing operation according to the parts that we make. Okay, next I would like to tell about the powder production. So basically, many hammer is made by using a steel. So if we want to manufacture the hammer by using powder metallurgy method, so we need to make the steel powder. So in order to make the steel powder, it can be made by using atomization process. So we have two types of atomization, which is the gas atomization and the centrifugal atomization. So gas atomization is the process which it uses high velocity gas stream that flows through an expansion nozzle, siphoning melted metal from below and spraying it into a container. While centrifugal atomization, it uses a consumable electrode that rotates rapidly in helium-filled chamber. Okay, so for the gas atomization, we will use the steel molten, and then it will pass through the siphon, and then at the nozzle, the gas will spray the gas and the molten metal into the container, and then the mixture of the gas and the molten metal will produce the metal powder. And next, for the centrifugal atomization, we will use the steel electrode as the consumable electrode, and then the powder the electrode is breakdown, it will become the steel powder. Then after we have produced the steel powder, we will go to the process of blending and mixing. So this process is used to make a homogeneous mass with uniform distribution of particle size and composition. So blending and mixing is a different process. So which the blending is the process of intermingling two or more powders of the same chemistry but possibly different particle size and shape. And mixing, which combining two or more powder of different chemistries. So blending. So for the blending, we will intermingle the two or more powder of the same chemistry but possess different particle size and shape, which means because we have two types of the atomization process, so the two types of the atomization process will produce different size and shape of the particle. So from this we'll blend these two type of powder of the same chemistry but different particle size and shape. And then for the mixing process, we will mix the powder with other ingredient that usually was added for the powder metallurgy process, which is the lubricants, binders, and the flocculants. So the lubricant were used to reduce the particle friction, and then the binder were used to so that the powder will stay bind before the sintering process until the sintering process. And then the flocculants were used to improve the flow characteristic of the powder during the feeding, so that there are more powder can be tightly put in the die. And then after we have blend and mixing the powder, and then we'll go to the compaction process. So in this in this method we use the cold compaction. So compaction is where the powder will be formed or shaped into the parts, and there are many types of compaction. So for the hammer, I choose to use the double pressing. So double pressing is where the powder is being pressed by applies two moving punches. So as you can see, this I have the design of the punch that I will use for the hammer. So I have the upper punch and the lower punch. Okay, so for the powder conversion process, so firstly we need to feed the steel powder into a die, and then after that the powder will be compacted into the desired shape by using the punch. And then we will eject the compact powder from the die, and after that we will sinter it, and then it will become the hammer. So after that, for the finishing process, the one of the process that we need to do is to drill the hole at the hammer, so that we can put later the handle. So the handle is made of carbon fiber, and it will be wrapped with the rubber to avoid from the user slip while using it. So that's all from me.